In recent years, the appeal of rustic wood crafts has surged in popularity as more people seek to incorporate natural elements into their homes. This trend not only embraces the beauty of wood, but also promotes sustainability by utilizing reclaimed and locally sourced materials. Rustic wood crafts blend the charm of traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design sensibilities. This fusion creates unique pieces that resonate with consumers looking for individuality and authenticity in their home decor. The versatility of wood allows artisans to create a wide array of products, from functional furniture pieces to decorative accents. Each crafted item tells a story, inviting warmth and a sense of connection to nature. One of the most appealing aspects of rustic wood crafts is the DIY nature of many projects. Individuals can create stunning items with basic tools and materials, making it accessible for both seasoned crafters and beginners. Popular rustic wood projects include items like farmhouse tables, wooden shelving units, and decorative wall art. These projects can cater to various tastes, from minimalist designs to more elaborate, ornate pieces. In addition to furniture, smaller crafts such as coasters, picture frames, and candle holders are ideal for those looking to explore rustic aesthetics without committing to larger projects. These items can be easily produced and sold at local markets or online. The rise of social media platforms has provided a perfect stage for showcasing rustic crafts. Artisans can share their work, connect with potential customers, and even offer tutorials, expanding their reach and influence. Sustainability is a core principle for many rustic wood projects. By using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, crafters can create beautiful items while minimizing their environmental impact, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Combining rustic elements with modern design can result in stunning contrasts that enhance any space. For instance, pairing a rough-hewn wooden bench with sleek, contemporary decor can create a striking visual balance. When considering projects for sale, it's essential to understand market trends. Items that incorporate functionality, such as multi-purpose furniture or organizers, are often in high demand among modern consumers. Accessorizing with rustic wood crafts can elevate the ambience of a home. Decorative items like wooden bowls or rustic wall hangings can serve as conversation starters, adding character to any room. Engaging in rustic wood crafting can also be a therapeutic and fulfilling endeavor. The process of creating something from raw materials fosters creativity while providing a sense of accomplishment. As the market for handmade goods continues to grow, crafters can find numerous platforms to sell their rustic creations. Websites like Etsy or local craft fairs offer opportunities to reach customers who appreciate artisanal products. Networking with other crafters and participating in workshops can also enhance skills and inspire new project ideas. Collaboration often leads to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what rustic wood crafts can be. In conclusion, rustic wood craft projects offer a delightful way to blend artistry with functionality. Whether for personal enjoyment or commercial sale, these crafts have the potential to bring beauty and warmth into modern spaces, reflecting a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and nature.